In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of powdered sugar with your 8-ounce block of cream cheese. I like to use whipped cream cheese. It's just easier to stir in. I mixed the 1 cup powdered sugar and the 8 ounces of cream cheese with the mixer for about 15-20 seconds. So when that's well mixed, we're going to go ahead and fold in the whipped topping. I added the whipped topping, and we're going to fold in and then mix for just a few seconds with the mixer so it's all well mixed together. Go ahead and pour the filling into your pie crust. So again, using graham cracker crust. So spread that evenly, leaving just a slight kind of bowl-like shape in the middle to hold that cherry pie filling. Next up, we're going to pour in our cherry pie filling. With a clean spoon, go ahead and carefully spread that across your pie. All right, go ahead and put the lid on and chill in the fridge for 1 hour before serving.